Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Command Prompt immediately. Press the Windows key +R, type CMD, then press Enter. If you need elevated rights, right-click and choose Run as Administrator. This lets you modify system files. Once the window appears, you'll see a prompt showing your current folder. Use CD to change directories and Dire to list files so you know where you are. Make sure to verify your path before running commands to avoid mistakes. Now you'll navigate and execute commands. Use CD folder name to move into a directory and CD. To go up one level, this keeps you oriented. Run executables by typing their name or the full path, for example C, /program files /app, exe. Use the tab key to auto-complete long file names and reduce typos. When running scripts, prefix with Python or PowerShell if needed. Once done, check Command. To finish, use Exit to close Command Prompt or press Ctrl+C to stop an executing command. Save important output by redirecting into a file with file name. TXT when needed. If something fails, read the exact error text. That message tells you what to fix and speeds troubleshooting. Make sure to run sfc/scano or dism scans if system commands behave oddly, and rerun with administrator rights when permissions look like the issue. Once corrected, retry the original command to confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.